Man is arrested accused of driving a lawnmower onto a neighbor's property while intoxicated. Officers say the neighbor told 46-year-old Barry Ridge to leave, so he drove onto County Road 100 North toward Franklin. When officers approached him on the road, he admitted he'd been drinking, then failed a field sobriety test. Ridge was booked in the Johnson County Jail. The sheriff's office says this is not Ridge's first arrest for being intoxicated while on the mower. Last month, he was arrested for allegedly drinking, then driving the mower into a Kroger parking lot and causing a scene. He is awaiting trial in that case.